Hi friends, if you struggled with emotional eating, emotions overall, and cravings, you probably tried positive affirmations and maybe you were disappointed. Why positive affirmation work for some people and don't work for other people? Because positive affirmation meant to improve the way we feel. They meant to change our energy, our state of mind. And if we just mechanically repeat positive affirmations and we don't change the way we feel, we don't change our perspective at the situation, and we don't change our thoughts, our everyday thoughts, then we will continue having the same issues, because all our issues, or majority of our issues, are coming from these negative thoughts and also subconscious negative thoughts. So if you start changing your life and changing yourself on a deepest level, then you can break free from negative thinking patterns and from cravings. But if you just mechanically repeat certain affirmations or do other practices and you continue living the same way, and you don't allow yourself to change on a deepest level, you don't allow these affirmations to touch you on a deepest level, deep inside your soul, then nothing will change. So some people, when they repeat these affirmations, they really allow them to touch them deeply, and maybe they cry. Maybe if they say that in a mirror, like, I love you, you're enough, they start crying, and you know for sure, if you're crying, that there is some kind of energetical, emotional, deeply subconscious change is happening. And if you don't feel any emotion while saying these affirmations, then you need to find some other ways to shift your perspective. So you can either try affirmations with more emotion and allowing yourself to really feel it. Fake it until you make it. You can fake the feeling too. Or you need to look deep inside yourself and change something on a subconscious level. And one of the most powerful ways to change yourself on a deep subconscious level that I know of is mind shifting. And if you would like to join our group session on Sundays, you can subscribe in the link in the comments below, and you can experience mind shifting. Or you can keep on looking for practices and techniques that involve deep subconscious mind. Maybe for you it can be hypnotherapy or somatic work or some other modalities. Just keep on looking, because all that is just deep subconscious patterns, the energy blocks that are totally removable. There are no energy blocks that cannot be removed. They can all be removed, and you can break free, not only from your cravings, but from deep emotional issues. So let's keep on rocking. Subscribe to my channel to get notified about other videos from our 30-day craving busting adventure. And I'm so excited to see you again in the next video. Bye!